Motorola just dropped the boldest flip phone we've ever seen. And trust me, it's not what you're expecting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a full deep dive into the brand new Motorola Razr Ultra, a phone that perfectly blends cutting-edge technology with that iconic Razr DNA we all remember from the early 2000s. And honestly, it might just be the most exciting foldable phone of 2025. Before we dive in, if you're already hyped about this phone, check out the buy link in the description below and grab yours today. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First up, let's talk about the design. Motorola isn't playing it safe this time. They're making a bold statement with 4 stunning Pantone color options: Rio Red, Scarab, Mountain Trail, and Cabaret. Each one has its own vibe: bright, earthy, stylish, and bold. This time around, Motorola is giving users real choice, not just the usual black or silver phones we see everywhere. Cut to host flipping phone open and closed casually. And seriously, flipping this phone open never gets old. It feels premium, the hinge is smooth, and when it snaps shut, it's just so satisfying. Now let's talk about the display. Inside, you get a 7-inch AMOLED display, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Not only is it big and colorful, but it also supports up to 165 Hz refresh rate. That means gaming, scrolling through your socials, or multitasking feels incredibly smooth. You're basically carrying a mini tablet that folds neatly into your pocket. Even the outer screen is impressive, a 4-inch POLED display, again with up to 165 Hz refresh rate. You can check notifications, reply to texts, control your music, and even snap a selfie without opening the phone. It's super convenient and looks stunning. And now onto cameras. And boy, Motorola didn't hold back here either. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. That means sharp, detailed photos whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night shots. And for selfies, there's a 50-megapixel front camera as well, so your selfies are next level, whether you're using the inner or outer display. Photos are crisp, colors are vibrant, and low-light performance is solid. If you're big on photography or content creation, this phone will not disappoint.
Motorola Razr 60 Ultra comes with some amazing new AI features, so let's check out. This phone understands what's on your screen and gives real-time suggestions to make your day easier. It can even create custom playlists automatically with Playlist Studio. Chat naturally with Gemini. It adapts to your conversation style.
Under the hood, the Razr Ultra is a powerhouse. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's top-tier processor for 2025, paired with 16 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of storage. It's lightning fast. Apps open instantly, gaming is buttery smooth, and you can multitask like a boss. This phone is truly built for everything, whether it's work, play, or creating content on the go. Battery life? Solid. The Razr Ultra packs a 4,700 mAh battery, which easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. And if you ever do run low, Motorola has you covered with 68W wired fast charging and 30W wireless charging. Despite all that tech packed inside, the Razr Ultra weighs just 7.02 ounces. It's lightweight, super pocketable, and Motorola has improved the hinge and build quality a lot compared to earlier Razr models. This thing feels tough, not fragile like older foldables. Alright, let's talk price. $1,299.99. Yeah, it's a premium price, but with these powerful features and stylish design, this can be worth buying decision. A device that's pushing technology forward while still honoring one of the most iconic designs ever. If you want something different, the Razr Ultra 60 is for you. So, final thoughts: the Motorola Razr Ultra is stylish, powerful, and fun. It's not for everyone, sure, but if you want a phone that feels exciting again, this could be the phone for you. Motorola is proving that the future isn't flat anymore. It's folded. And honestly, I'm here for it. If you love this full breakdown, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic tech content, and drop a comment below. Would you rock the new Razr Ultra? I'm super curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.